Hello everyone, let's make the easiest chocolate cake muffin ever. It is very easy to make. Just mix everything together in one bowl and bake. We'll start by adding our dry ingredients first. We'll be adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 240 grams, 2/3 cups of cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then we go ahead to mix it all together until it's well combined. Once we are done mixing all the dry ingredients together, it's time for the wet ingredients. We'll go ahead and add 1 cup of milk, 2 whole eggs, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and then we go ahead to mix everything together until it's well combined and our batter is formed. Next, go ahead and arrange your muffin tins and transfer the batter to them. Go ahead and bake it in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit, or until skewer inserted in the middle comes out clean. After baking, this is all we have. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe at home, and let me know how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up. Do well to subscribe to be a part of this family. Feel free to share this recipe and any other recipe in this channel with your loved ones. Drop a comment below to encourage me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.